Well, we made it through St. Harmony, Paul, and we're heading out to a trail. It's been raining most of the day, so that should make this trail an interesting ride. Want to know where we're going? Here's a hint. We've got a bag of chocolates. See you on the trail. About 3.7 miles past the Holy Paul Light. Turning right on Crabgrass Road. It does say no outlet. Cat's out of the bag. We're at Herky Huffman Bull Creek, and the small game season has started, and that means trail number 3 is open. But we're not going to be alone today, so let's head over to the gate and deliver those chocolates.
I love dogs.
He's a hard-headed joker.
Ooh, I just love people.
We are at the gate. Bring them a bag of Snickers or chocolates, or what do you like? Reese's. You bring some. Oh, Janet Kraft. You come out here. Bring them some Reese's.
Quit, Daryl.
I'm gonna teach you that man is not something.
Easy, easy.
Yeah, Bart.
Bart and Wendy. Hershey's.
Where do we sign in?
Well, first you can deliver that. That's Daryl. He jumps.
There you go. Enjoy.
Yes, sir. Appreciate it.
No problem.
Well, glad y'all can make it. We don't know how deep it is today.
We'll find out.
That's exactly it. So when you come in, there's a sign-in place over here, and this is where you're going to sign in. They basically want to know who's coming in and who's going out. Well, there are a few hunters out here today. So we always try to be very respectful. The hunters usually don't come out into any of the wildlife management areas in the mornings. Hunting here only goes to about 6:30. There's no hunting at night. It would be perfect if you were coming out here at nighttime because you wouldn't have to worry about any hunting. With the rain, I'm expecting that the roads are going to be pocketed with lots of little water spots. But we're going to make our way out to trail number 3 and go through Bull Creek. Because they have to maintain these roads and they have to fill all the potholes, it's just a matter of politeness not to splash all the dirt out of the potholes. Public service announcement for any wildlife management area. It is required that you stay on all named and numbered roads. It is a good idea to check in specifically if you're out here during any part of the hunting season. And other than that, drive slow through any puddles so you don't splash out any of the dirt. And we have riding with us Fred.
I'm Cherry.
Fred and Cherry from
Grant, Florida.
Grant, Florida. And y'all got something happening down there every year.
Grant Seafood Festival, the first weekend of March.
And how big is that?
It's really big. It's a 2-day event and we have a lot of people come in and out. Check our website.
And we have the Rivian again with,
Bart and Wendy.
and y'all are out here again, and you already lifted. I see that. It went up.
Yes.
It went up. I don't think your tires will even go underwater. And 40 inches has got to be like right here.
It does, yeah.
So you should be more than fine. We'll go first. So
Sounds good to me. You can always
I
go
don't like
first.
deep water crossings. Like since the last hurricane, it's kind of messed me up a little bit. What's the name of your turtle?
Speedy.
Speedy.
Yep,
And you're a trail maintainer
that's right.
with a plow on the front. The sun is getting ready to set, and we haven't even made it to Bull Creek yet. I don't really want to be the first to drive through there in the dark, so let's hope we get around the corner.
He's gonna look under his hood real quick.
Yeah, we see that.
So, tell us about your Jeep.
Well, this is a 95 Jeep Cherokee XJ. I've been started building it 3 years ago. I bought a 2-wheel drive, and I bought another one, and from the two I made this one 4-wheel drive. And I've been working since then.
Wow.
I built everything on my garage. So the last thing I just did a week ago, it was the Rhino paint. So it's really fresh. And just having fun. I made it to a trail, a little bit late, but I made it. So we're here.
So
that's
if
another build that I did on this Jeep. This is almost a Frankenstein. This seats belong to a Toyota Scion 2013.
this footage when it gets dark sometimes acts a little bit funny.
Yeah. Yeah, last time that we came with the club, we did this one, and we came to the bar over there. There's like a mod and all this stuff.
What?
It wasn't that deep.
I lost a passenger.
What happened to Wendy?
I lost a passenger. I don't
She's
know.
sitting in our Jeep.
I can't see that. Okay, so you lost your passenger, huh?
God.
That's the deepest spot right there.
And it wasn't too bad.
Not bad. So that's good. Hopefully, we'll be good to go from here on out.
Yeah, because once it gets so far.
So I'm not gonna.
Go ahead.
Who would turn down a donut?
That's
Santos came prepared with coffee. His wife sent him with coffee.
Anyone wants some coffee? There's a
No,
coffee.
I'm too old. The caffeine bothers me.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
That's how it is.
Well, that is Bull Creek during small game season, an absolutely incredible trail. In my opinion, it's one of the coolest trails around. The bottom is solid, so you don't have to worry about getting stuck. Sometimes it gets a little deeper than you may expect, but the Rivian made it through with no issues whatsoever. And Randy drove through multiple places while I was riding with Santos. I was thinking Evander for some reason. Randy was driving while I was riding with Santos. So, I'm Matt.
Joe. Santos. Red.
Cherry.
Wendy.
And Bart.
And this has been an Off-Road Travels Florida Jeep ride, even if you aren't in a Jeep.
Thank you. And Randy.
Well, that's all she wrote. We're back at the check-in station and heading home. We'll see you on the next trail.